wholesaling, you name it. Check out my website, istreamdeals.com, to learn more. This is the show where I work directly with you to find the best real estate deals out there. We are talking about simple, smart investments, putting in 25% down to create the perfect buy. Real estate investing is awesome because it opens doors to wealth like no other industry. Today I'm helping my guy Brian, an out-of-state investor with a tight budget. Real talk, you need some money to start wholesaling. But the good news is, you don't need a fortune. I'll show Brian, and you, how to invest smartly and make $10,000 on a deal. Why Atlanta? It's one of the cheapest metro areas in the United States. In places like California or New York, you can't touch real estate for under $100,000. Here, you can snag a property for $8,000. And even after you buy, you can still flip it for a solid profit. This deal, it's on Tacoma Avenue, listed at $45,000. It's been sitting on the market for over a month. The house needs serious work, windows are boarded up, and the rehab could cost $30,000 to $40,000. If you do it yourself, it's way cheaper, which makes this deal a great fit for hands-on investors like contractors. Here's the thing, this seller made a rookie mistake by pricing it too high. When properties sit for weeks with no offers, sellers start panicking. That's where we step in, offering a solid $8,000 cash deal. No questions asked. Once you buy, I handle the heavy lifting, creating professional videos, highlighting the property's value, and using my network to sell it for $25,000. My team has sold over $200 million in properties, and I have got the connections to make deals happen fast. Let's break it down. You invest $8,000. I help you sell it for $25,000. After fees, you clear a $10,000 profit. That's a killer return. If you're ready to partner with me, check out my website, istreamdeals.com, and let's make it happen. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, real estate isn't magic, it's about smart strategies and hard work. Subscribe for more tips on building wealth with real estate. See you next time.